Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll learn about similes. Have you ever heard someone say, as brave as a lion or her smile is like the sun? Well, that's what we call a simile. Let's dive in and learn more. A simile is a way of comparing two things using the words like or as. It's like a fun little shortcut to help describe something in a more interesting way. For example, she runs like the wind. This means she runs super fast, just like how the wind blows. Let's look at some examples. He's as strong as an ox. This means he's really strong, just like an ox. Her voice is like music to my ears. This means her voice sounds beautiful, like a sweet song. Why use similes? Similes help us paint a clearer picture in our minds. Instead of saying he's very tall, you could say, he's as tall as a giraffe. This makes it easier for others to imagine just how tall he really is, and it makes your writing more fun and exciting. Let's create similes. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a word, and I want you to think of a simile for it. Ready? Here's the first word, happy. What could you compare happiness to? Maybe she's as happy as a clam. Try thinking of your own simile. Word 2, fast. Word 3, bright. Now for fast. How about, he's as fast as lightning? And for bright, maybe the sun is as bright as a diamond. Great job. Keep practicing to become a simile expert. So, what have we learned today? A simile compares two things using like or as, and it's a great way to make your writing more interesting. The more you practice, the better you'll get at using similes in your own stories. Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun lessons. See you next time.